Well, today is October the 14th, and I'm going to ask you, how do you find 404 external links in your content? Now, I've come up with a way to do it in the Google Search Console. I've got a Google document that's in the share link you'll see in the comments, and if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, there's a link in there for that under the date, October 14th. And that's a long story I'm not going to share with you, why we're just using the date. But the Google account that I've been bugging you to set up, one of the things it comes with is Google Search Console, which is free. And so you go into the Google Search Console, you go to the settings. Well, first you're going to open up the site that you want to have the determination made on where the 404s are happening or not, okay? So you go into that site, and then in the Google Search Console, you click on the settings, and then go down to the crawl stats, and over on the right, it'll say open report. Open that report, and then scroll down a little bit in that report, and you'll see by response. And click on the one that says not found 404, okay? That's going to show you a list of pages that Google indexed as 404 errors, and then in the Google document, it goes on to say what you can do to remedy that situation. I've also got a link in there on how to create a Google account if you're unfortunate enough to not have one. This will get her done. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.